This is positive synergy. What is synergy? Synergy is basically after combining, what will be the additional benefit? What do you mean by synergy? Like, it's basically nothing but two coming together, and then what is the benefit of that? So see that is why I gave you this formula. Ek minute, let me complete this. Formula is what? Combined of Chennai plus Calcutta. Minus 1 are only Chennai. Because see, why will Chennai take over Calcutta? They will take over. What will happen once they take over? So Chennai and Calcutta become together. I mean, why will I do that? Because I myself am doing so good. I will do that only if there is some benefit to me. Here, you know why I have done this? So that I want to give you a background that how I must have got these figures.
But we have reduced the business of Chennai, then how do we get the positive synergy of both the combined companies?
Yeah, see for example, Chennai plus Calcutta. Chennai plus Calcutta is, say for example, 160. But Chennai was only, say for example, if it is 160 or 50 ka difference is how much? 110. If Chennai was doing business only themselves, then they were expecting how much? 110 lakhs. And they are combining with Calcutta, so they are expecting a business of 160. Example. So, इस हिसाब से they must have got 50. I'm just trying to give you the source, like how you must have got these figures. तो और ऐसे आ सकते हैं questions. That's why I gave you this. Come again.
Combined business है, वो figures कैसे मिलेंगे?
That we cannot get. That they will have to give you. But instead of they giving you this, they will give you this and this.
And so this 50 cents and all would even include the business of Kolkata actually, right? So
Yeah, definitely. When I say combined business, तो combined business के अंदर तो लिखा भी है चेन्नई and Calcutta.
So if the benefit that they are deriving could be not only be the business of Kolkata, as in over and above भी तो कुछ हो सकता है, right?
No, I didn't understand that.
This 50-75.
50-75 is positive synergy.
Right.
मतलब after Calcutta and Chennai have now come together. So how is that possible? Just take this, और कोई ज़्यादा टेंशन मत करो. 160 हम दोनों का मिल के, लेकिन खाली मैं होता तो मेरा 110 होता, तो मुझे 50 का फायदा हो रहा है ना. That is why only I will join with you. In fact, that is why only I will take you over. अदरवाइज मुझे क्या फर्क?
This positive synergy is just of Kolkata. Or does it include? Is it something over and above the value of business of Kolkata, or is it?
Nah, you know. Come on, Akanksha, and anyone for that matter. This is combined. दोनों का मिलके 160. खाली मेरा 110.
So this has to be only Kolkata.
Oh, मतलब because it's not only Kolkata again. Try to understand. Because Kolkata has come, so this is a benefit. Otherwise, it would have been just 110. So, but now what has happened? You are okay. I got it. You are saying in that way. कि भाई Calcutta का कितना? तो of course Calcutta का must be 50 then. Calcutta का must be 50 and mine is 110. That's what total is 160. Okay, you're asking me in that way. But your interpretation I don't want in that way. Don't think in that way. Our interpretation should be what? Don't think that this is Kolkata. Think that these are the positive things happening because a merger or an acquisition has taken place. That is why the word is what? Positive synergy. And it has come in exam, like, मौका मिलेगा. My mobile, I have got that question also sometime. So I will solve that type of question also. And it has come 2-3 times, same question. कभी शाम की, कभी ये आप लोग इसमें देखना अपना पास्ट पेपर में भी मिलेगा. 2 एग्जाम पहले भी आया था 3 मार्क्स का. फिलहाल हमने आपको एक बैकग्राउंड बता दिया कि फिगर कैसे आया होगा.
हम लोग यहाँ पे बेसिकली चेन्नई पर्सपेक्टिव भी सोच रहे हैं ना, एडिशनल बेनिफिट जो मिलेगा वो कोलकाता से मिलेगा.
हाँ, तो चेन्नई प्रो ये दिस ऑल व्हाटएवर वी आर डूइंग. I mean, why are we doing this? To know that Chennai will give to Calcutta how much? Purchase consideration. And इस question के अंदर उसने क्या बोला? Is based upon this. इस question के अंदर उसने क्या बोला? Based upon the positive synergies. तो based upon this, मैं तुमको जो ले रहा हूं, तो मुझे तुमको लेने से कुछ फायदा हो रहा है. Based upon that, फिर मैं आपको कुछ दूंगा, कुछ शेयर दूंगा, कुछ कैश दूंगा, जो दूंगा. Somewhat like that. Okay? Sachin, okay with you? गुड. आई एम इन टू माई बी पार्ट. मतलब आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, भले अपने 10 मिनट इसमें गए, वर्थ इट. मतलब ये सब एक्चुअल में मुझे इतने बात करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. आई कुड हैव स्टार्टेड विद दिस. इनफैक्ट ये जो बी है वो ए हो जाता, जो भी मैं कर रहा हूं, बिकॉज ये फिगर्स आर गिवन. लेकिन अगर वो क्वेश्चन में आपको ऐसे फिगर्स देंगे तो माइनस करके जो आपका जो आंसर आएगा, दैट विल बी नथिंग बट द आंसर ऑफ पॉजिटिव साइन. जयश्री, इज दैट ओके विद यू? कम टू पार्ट बी. पार्ट बी विल नो इट इज नथिंग कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द प्रेजेंट वैल्यूज, ब्रैकेट में डिस्काउंट वैल्यूज of the projected positive synergy. Calculation of what? The present value, that is the discounted values of what? Of the projected positive synergy. I mean, this is a very tailor-made type of question. ये ऐसा normal type of question नहीं, क्योंकि उसने बोला ही it is based upon this. तो पहले हमने ये निकाल लिया, ये तो इसने दिया था, लेकिन अगर नहीं दिया होता तो हम निकालते. फिर दूसरे में अभी हम लोग इसकी प्रेजेंट वैल्यू या डिस्काउंट यूज कर रहे हैं. एंड हाउ मच इज द रेट ऑफ डिस्काउंट गिवन, ही हैज गिवन यू क्लियरली 20. इनफैक्ट डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर्स के फिगर्स भी उसने दे दिया. आई जस्ट कंटिन्यू हियर. मेक 4 कॉलम्स. पहला कॉलम बनाता हूं ईयर का, दूसरा कॉलम बनाता हूं पॉजिटिव साइनर्जी, तीसरा कॉलम बनाता हूं डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर, दैट इज 20%, एंड लास्ट कॉलम ऑफ कोर्स ऑफ द डिस्काउंटेड वैल्यूज. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द प्रेजेंट वैल्यूज, ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया डिस्काउंटेड वैल्यूज ऑफ व्हाट, ऑफ द पॉजिटिव साइनर्जी. यू विल कंटिन्यू डाउन, मैं वहां पर कर रहा हूं. यहां पर आपने फिर से लिख दिया फिगर्स आर ऑल इन लैक्स. तो फिर से वही 02, 03, 04, 05, 06. Positive synergy in lakhs is there with 50, 75, 90, 100 and 105. डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर उसने मेरे को सारे लगा के फिगर्स भी दिए हुए हैं. 0.83, 8 इनफैक्ट 333, सॉरी 833, 0.694, 0.79, 0.482 and finally 0.402. खाली 5 साल के लिए. 6th ईयर का उसने दिया वो नहीं लिया, because he has given me some other information, there is some growth or something, so we'll go it accordingly then. So right now I can get the present values or the discounted values. If this column A, this B, this C, so last one will be B to C. बोलो 2 decimals था क्या? 65 and then 0.05 and then 52.11 and then 40.2 and then 42.21. ठीक है. टोटल लेना अब तक 236.2. Of course, even these all are in lakhs. So right now, till now, in fact, 06 year तक 236.22 आपका डिस्काउंटेड वैल्यूज आता है. और अब 07 onwards, like he has given you the growth factor. And he has